This is really happening, you guys. We are pregnant! This is officially happening and I'm so freaking happy, you guys. You have no idea. If you don't follow me on the vlog channel or Instagram or Twitter, you might not know that I announced last week that I am pregnant. Oh my God. I've known since October 24th, so for quite some time now. I am 14 weeks and let me tell you, it has been very, very hard. Morning sickness really did kick my butt. I just started my second trimester, so morning sickness is officially gone and I couldn't be happier, to be honest. I feel like I'm finally getting my energy back. I can put makeup on, I can get dressed, I can go out. Honestly, like the first trimester was so hard. I barely left the house. I was home all the time. I threw up everything that I ate. Like it was very difficult. And I do want to film a first trimester recap. I believe I'm going to film that this week to get that up either this weekend or early next week. Just showing you guys some things that really helped me, some books that I've been using, some journals that I've been documenting and just saving photos and the sonograms and everything. And just little things that I feel like nobody ever tells you about your first trimester that I just had to learn on my own, and information that also the doctors gave me. Like, I am so happy that we were able to find a really good doctor. Because I have ulcerative colitis, I did have to find a high-risk doctor and a general doctor. So I have them both that have been really helping me and everything's been going really great. We actually went to see baby Peanut. We don't know the gender yet, so we're calling the baby Peanut, but we went to see the baby yesterday and the baby is fine, healthy, happy. This baby did not stay still. Like, the baby was just moving around, legs everywhere, hands covering the face. I'm like, oh my God, you little one, you are a hyper one. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna be documenting basically everything on my vlog channel. I still want to keep my main channel beauty and fashion focused, but I still want to include some pregnancy videos and some like general like maternity videos here on this channel, just because I feel like you guys are also growing with me, and I know a lot of you are also either experiencing this or want to get pregnant. So I just want to, you know, share my personal experiences with you guys. So I'm really excited about that. I can't believe like it's here. Like, it still feels so surreal to me, but I'm happy that I can talk about it because it was so hard, like knowing and not being able to tell you guys. Like, I would have to wear oversized sweaters and like not be on Instagram stories or anything, or not show like my body. A lot of people noticed because I wasn't posting my OOTDs on Instagram, and when we vlog, I usually do outfit of the days there, and I wasn't doing it for a really long time. So people were onto me, but it's been really good. One thing about being pregnant is that I am always out of breath. So I tried filming a video earlier today for the first time, you guys, in like 2-3 weeks, I think, that I got to film, like sit down and talk about makeup and do my makeup. And I was able to get through the video. Sorry, that was my phone. So yeah, usually when I'm like talking to the camera or even vlogging, I'm just like, okay, 1 minute's up, I'm out of breath. I just make sure that I'm hydrated and I drink a lot of water. I'm so bad at drinking water throughout the day. So that's one thing that's like top of my list, drink more water. So yes, we're gonna be documenting everything basically on the vlog channel. I also wanted to answer some questions in today's video because I have been getting so many. So I went on Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me some questions, and I literally got over 5,000 questions. So I screenshotted the questions that I saw the most on my Instagram, and I'm gonna answer them in today's video. So let's get started. The first question is, do you know what you're going to have yet? No, we don't know yet. I'm so excited. The doctor knows. Yesterday when we went to the doctor, we were like, do you know we're having yet? We ended up doing the early screening, so they did a blood test and they were able to tell if the baby is healthy, if anything is wrong with the baby, and everything turned out amazing. And also they're able to tell you what the gender of the baby is. We don't want to know yet, but the doctor does know, because we want to do like a gender reveal with our family and friends. So I think we're going to do that early February, which I know seems like forever because we want to find out like today, but also I want to like share that special moment with everyone. So it's gonna be really exciting. I am just like, like I really want to know so I can start shopping for the baby and buying, you know, everything I need. So I'm really excited. The next question is, do you plan on raising the baby in LA or will you and Jose move back to New York? Blessings on the baby. Thank you so much. So for now, we're not moving back to New York. We don't have any plans to move back because we have a really amazing doctor here for our general doctor and the high risk doctor. And that's really important to me because I have ulcerative colitis. And one thing that you should know if you're pregnant or you're planning to get pregnant, the doctors really want to see you throughout your entire process, like from when you just get pregnant to giving birth. And that's something that you just can't go around changing. So that's something that I want to be stable with. I do want to stay in LA. I want to see my doctors that I'm really happy with, the doctor that's going to deliver my baby. So yeah, we don't have any plans to go anywhere as of now, but we do need a bigger place. We have a 2-bedroom and I love it. This is our home, but honestly, it's just not gonna work for us because I need a bedroom for my office space, for my work, and I also need a nursery for the baby, which I am dying to start decorating, and I can't do it here. It's just, this apartment is just not practical. So we're looking for a 3-bedroom apartment. Hopefully we'll be able to find it soon. Definitely before this summer because my due date is... Okay, moving on to the next question. Do you have any nausea? If so, what are your cures? Let me tell you, girl. Let me tell you. I had the worst morning sickness. And for me, it didn't happen in the morning. It happened only at night and late in the evening. And anything I would eat would just come right back up to the bathroom. And I didn't have anything in my stomach. So I tried everything, and let me tell you, I found some things that really did help. So I'm gonna talk about that in my first trimester video. So don't worry, I will be mentioning everything that I used in that video because let me tell you, even the smallest thing makes the biggest difference. And I'm really excited about that video because I'm gonna show you guys the sonogram, the journal, my Polaroids that I've been taking of my belly growing. It is just, it's just very special and I'm so excited. Are you reading some books about raising a baby? I am reading tips about like my pregnancy, not really about raising the baby, but just things that have been able to help me week by week and just general, questions that we have as, soon to be moms. And I'm going to talk about that in the video as well. This is another question that I got a lot on my Instagram. I have ulcerative colitis and I want to get pregnant. Did it affect you? If so, do you have any tips? I went to my general doctor earlier last year and I told her I wanted to get pregnant and I was taking steroids for my ulcerative colitis. So the first thing I did was I made sure that my diet was good, that I was eating healthy and I was taking the prenatal and I was just getting my body ready to, to try and get pregnant. So that's definitely the first on the list. So I would say go see your doctor, talk to your PCP and let them know that you're trying to get pregnant. They will be able to tell you and give you a professional advice based on your situation because, everyone is different. But as of tips, I honestly would just say, be as healthy as you can and take your prenatal. The prenatal did help a lot because I did have anemia earlier last year. I still have it a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was last year. And that's why it's so important to go see your doctor. So yes, you definitely can get pregnant. I haven't had a flare up. I've been absolutely fine. My doctor actually told me that if I haven't gotten a flare up, most likely I won't have one throughout the entire pregnancy. So I'm really happy about that. I'm feeling good. I'm taking all my vitamins. I'm making sure that I eat, that I stay hydrated, and I'm not very active, but I'm trying to include some, activities throughout the day. So this was probably the #1 asked question on my Instagram. What ovulation kit did you use? What were your symptoms before you took a test? So the ovulation kit that I use, I got off Amazon, super cheap. And let me tell you, we were trying for like a month and we got pregnant so fast and I'm so grateful. I'll link it in the description box below and I'll go more into details in my first trimester recap video, how we got pregnant, how it happened so fast, and how to make sure that, you're taking the test the right way. But I'll link it in the description box below for anyone that's interested. What were your symptoms before you took a test? I had a little bit of like a red stain in my underwear. It wasn't like a period or anything, but it was the day before my missed period and I just kind of had a feeling. And like the day before I took the test, I had slept for like 15, 16 hours, like the entire day. And Jose was like, yeah, you're definitely pregnant. So we ended up taking a test and we found out we were pregnant. It was a very emotional day. I had Ding Tai Fung at the end of the day, so I was pretty happy. My favorite food. Okay. Next question. How far along are you, Diana? I am currently 14 weeks. Have you guys thought of any names yet? So we've talked about names, but we haven't actually come up with any names yet. Like, that is such a big responsibility. Like, you actually get to name someone. So I don't know. I don't have a name for a girl or a boy, and we still have to like talk about it and pick out names. But we keep like bringing it up and nothing really comes up for us. So I don't know, I guess when we know, we know. And I feel like as we get closer to knowing the gender, that's when it's really gonna hit us. So I'm excited. That is all of the questions I'm gonna answer today. I'm really excited to film my first trimester recap for you guys and show you everything that I've been using that has been really making a difference. So stay tuned for that video. I need to show you guys my belly so we can do a little belly shot. This is my 14 weeks belly. It is definitely popping out. Nothing fits me at the moment. I am living in one pair of Lululemon leggings and sweatpants, and that's pretty much it. That's all I wear, and t-shirts and oversized sweaters. So that is my uniform. So I've been wanting to go buy clothes, but honestly, I just don't know what to buy. It's too early for me to buy maternity clothes, but also like nothing fits me. So I feel like I should just continue wearing my Lululemon leggings. I literally wash them like all the time until I am able to wear maternity clothes, because I have my eye on a few pair of pants that I really like, and just things in general that I've been wanting to buy. I've just been waiting to like be the right size, you know what I mean? So that's definitely next on my list. Let me know in the comments if you guys are excited for that. Thank you so much for watching. I am like, oh, I can't stop chasing because I'm so happy. Thank you guys for all the love, the support. All the comments under that video were like so sweet. I was literally getting, even now going back to read the comments, I just get so emotional because you guys are like part of my family. So it's crazy that we've been in this journey together for so long. It's just, it's so special and amazing, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait for you guys to meet Peanut too, because I'm excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.